BabyTales.
Greetings, fellow thrill seekers. Today, we're diving into the realm of the supernatural as we draw and color a haunted house. Straight out of your darkest nightmares. Get ready for a spine-chilling art adventure. So, grab your art supplies, and let's conjure up some ghostly magic. Let's start by sketching out our haunted house. Picture a decrepit mansion with crooked windows, crumbling walls, and a foreboding atmosphere. Let your imagination wander into the shadows as you sketch out this eerie dwelling. Now, let's add some spooky details to our haunted house. Draw in cobwebs, broken shutters, and maybe even some ghostly apparitions lurking in the windows. Don't hold back. The creepier, the better. Time to add some color to our haunted house. Choose dark and ominous hues for the walls, with hints of eerie greens and purples. For a ghostly glow, Let your imagination run wild as you bring this haunted abode to life with color. Remember, this is your haunted masterpiece, so don't be afraid to get creative and add your own spooky touches. Whether it's adding extra cobwebs or giving it a mysterious backstory, let your imagination run wild like a ghost in the night. Once you're happy with your coloring, add any final touches to your artwork. Maybe add a full moon peeking through the clouds, or a gnarled tree with twisted branches reaching toward the house. Let your creativity run wild and make this haunted house truly your own. And there you have it, a haunted house straight out of your darkest nightmares. We've turned our paper into a canvas of spine-chilling terror. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and eerie art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your haunted creations send shivers down Your spine.